bags, Jack. You can sleep in there. Inside them, Jack. And the whoopies, of course.
We would never not have the whoopies.
Tom said, yep.
That's my heart.
It is your heart.
Yeah. And your whoopee.
Look, your whoopies and your stuff, Jack.
There's soft whoopee up the top.
You like your beds?
Do you like your new bed?
You paint the wall?
We painted the wall. Look,
In the wall, and look at the
trucks.
and airplanes. Look at them.
Is that cool?
You gonna take your jacket off, Tom Tom?
Yeah.
Stay a while.
Trucks.
Trucks.
Yeah.
Oh, Tom, this is. Oh,
Oh,
please, Tom. Please, Tom.
Jack's just giddy.
I gotta sleep.
You gotta sleep in your sleeping bags.
Take your shoes off, Jack, and stay a while. Then you can get in your sleeping bag. There you go.
That's the truck.
Yeah. Look, you can roll the truck on the.
On the rug for you, a special rug for your trucks.
This is a stopping one.
Yeah.
So you should go around.
Yeah.
So you gotta go the other way. Oh, which way we go? This way. Which way we go? Which way we go? This way. Which way? No, this has a block in it. We gotta go back. See another one. Say another one. Another one. Go. We'll have to go back. Have to go back. We have to go back. We'll have to go back. You can too.
Oh, yes, Grandma fixed it
We'll
for you.
fix it, honey. It fixes easily. Oh, God, it's sweet. He said, don't worry about it. I've got other things. There's lots of other things.
Yes, and we still have all your old stuffed animals. They're still here.
I get excited.
Do you like being in there, Jackie?
All the whoops are here.
Oh, Tom. You didn't, but I have more things to decorate with for you. Do you want to do some more decorating?
Yeah.